Bombyx Mori, commonly known as the domestic silk moth, is a moth species belonging to the family Bombycidae. It is the closest relative of Bombyx mandarina, the wild silk moth. Silkworms are the larvae of silk moths. Univoltine silkworms are species that complete their life cycle, consisting of egg, larva, pupa, and adult stages, produce only one brood a season, and they are generally found around Europe. In the larvae stage, eggs take about 14 days to hatch into larvae. These silkworms grow by eating mulberry leaves and molting their skin several times, undergoing rapid growth and development. This stage is crucial for accumulating the energy and resources needed to transition to the pupa stage, where they will spin a protective cocoon and enclose themselves in a cocoon made up of raw silk produced by the salivary glands. The final molt from larva to pupa takes place within the cocoon, which provides a layer of protection during the vulnerable, almost motionless pupal state. The cocoon is made of a thread of raw silk from 300 to about 900 meters long. If the animal survives through the pupal phase of its life cycle, it releases proteolytic enzymes to make a hole in the cocoon so it can emerge as an adult moth. These enzymes are destructive to the silk and can cause the silk fibers to break down. The moth is the adult phase of the silkworm's life cycle. The silk moths have a wingspan of 1 to 2 inches and a white hairy body. Females are about 2 to 3 times bulkier than males. Compared to the wild species Bombyx mandarina, the domestic species Bombyx Mori has increased cocoon size, body size, growth rate, and efficiency of its digestion. The domestic species has gained tolerance to human presence and handling. The domestic silk moths cannot fly, so the males need human assistance in finding a mate, and it lacks fear of potential predators. The native color pigments have also been lost, so the domestic silk moths are leucistic, since camouflage is not useful when they only live in captivity. These changes have made Bombyx Mori entirely dependent upon humans for survival, and it does not exist in the wild. The eggs are kept in incubators to aid in their hatching. As the process of harvesting the silk from the cocoon kills the pupa, sericulture has been criticized by animal welfare and rights activists. Mahatma Gandhi was critical of silk production based on the Ahimsa philosophy, not to hurt any living thing. This principle has led to the modern production practice known as Ahimsasilk, where the silk made from the cocoons of moths that are allowed to emerge before the silk is harvested. Ahimsasilk method allows the completion of the metamorphosis of the silkworm to its moth stage, whereas most silk harvesting requires the silkworms to be killed in their cocoon.